Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ariel, and for the second day of Christmas, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me to TJMAXX for Christmas home decor. TJMAXX, Home Goods, and Marshalls are some of my favorite places to shop for budget-friendly home decor. And this year, for their Christmas collection, they have even included quite the selection for our four-legged friends. And as you can see, their prices are really good here. So I'm not going to do too much talking through this video, but just to let you guys know, this channel, I do budget-friendly home decor and home improvement. That includes DIY projects, shop with me videos, hauls, and thrift flips. So if you're interested in that sort of content, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please leave me a like and a comment and let me know what you thought. I just wanted to hop on real quick and remind you guys that hitting the share button is the easiest way to let someone know what you would like to be gifted to you this Christmas. So if you see something that you like that you would love to be gifted this Christmas, then be sure to hit the share button and send that link to your family and friends to let them know exactly what you want to get under your tree this year. I am really hard on my slippers, and slippers is something that's actually on my Christmas list this year. And these slippers with the buffalo check and the leather ribbon, they were the ones that I actually ended up getting for myself because I just couldn't wait, and I needed a pair of slippers ASAP, so I ended up getting those while I was here. But again, if you see anything that you like, that you want somebody to give you, then hit the share button, let them know. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're also, I realize wrapping paper might be a little bit boring, but I am a fan of wrapping paper. I don't know if it's like the patterns that I'm obsessed with, but I have a really bad habit. I always, when I see really nice wrapping paper patterns, I can't help but buy them. So if you guys are like me and you're really weird about wrapping paper, I did want to include this, but you can totally skip past this section if you're not interested. No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. This is a part of my series for December. It's 25 days of Christmas. I'm trying my best to do a video every single day of December up until Christmas. I may miss a day. I am going to try my best. But if you guys are interested in home decor and shop with me videos, DIY, home decor, and crafting, and thrift flips and those sort of things, then please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of my uploads for December and for 2022, I mean. hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is a part of my 25 days for Christmas. It is not a promise, but I'm definitely trying to do a video for every day of December up until the 25th. So if you're interested in home decor and home improvement, shop with me videos, thrift flips, crafting, then please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so that you can see all of my videos that I have planned for December and all my videos for next year. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday.